Hey everyone, Peter here from the Kostecki Real Estate Group. Today we're in beautiful Pioneer Tower showcasing my amazing new listing, 306 Edgehill Drive. Nestled across from RiverEdge Golf Course, this stately 4-bedroom family home offers easy access to Highway 401. With nearly 3,500 square feet of above-grade space, it rests on an expansive lot spanning almost 3/4 of an acre, complete with an inviting in-ground saltwater pool and workshop. Number 7, grand main floor. Enter through the grand foyer and prepare to be impressed. This carpet-free main floor features beautiful tile and hardwood flooring throughout, an abundance of pot lights, and room for the whole family. There's custom millwork, wainscoting, and crown molding throughout. Kick back in either your cozy sitting room or massive living room with diamond accent wall and enjoy quality time with family or friends. Wrapping up, you have a stylish powder room. Number 6, main floor laundry and mudroom. This practical addition will save you time and effort. Plus, with garage access and a walkout, it's super convenient. Number 5, the kitchen. Cook up a storm here. You're treated to an abundance of storage space, granite countertops, and a large dinette with walkout. For formal occasions, you have a dining room which features wainscoting and crown molding. Number 4, backyard and lot. Escape to your backyard retreat and embrace the sunshine. With just under 3/4 of an acre to explore, you'll have no problem letting the kids or pets play. Take a dip in your in-ground saltwater pool and relax on your patio after a long day. Or barbecue up a storm and relish in the peace and quiet. This is an entertainer's dream. Number 3, detached workshop. A great bonus is your large workshop with electrical, perfect for the at-home tinkerer, hobbyist, or craftsman. You have tons of storage space and enough room to fit a vehicle or two. Number 2, bedrooms and bathrooms. Upstairs, you'll find 4 bright bedrooms, including the primary bedroom, which features a 4-piece ensuite with shower tub combo. You also have a main 5-piece bath with double sinks, marble countertops, and shower tub combo. Number 1, location. This fantastic home is located in the desirable and family-friendly community of Pioneer Tower. You're situated across from RiverEdge Golf Course, so soak in the fantastic views. And you're only moments to excellent parks and walking trails, fine dining and shopping, and mere minutes away to Highway 401 and the Expressway. Thanks for joining me today. If you're interested in this home, check out the website below. And for more great homes, don't forget to follow us on social media. For the Kostecki Real Estate Group, I'm Peter Kostecki. We'll see you at the next home.